This is the git merge conflict, the thing every developer dreads. I'm going to fix it in seconds without touching a single one of these markers. Cloud Code does it for me, so let me show you how. So this is my current code. I'm on main branch right now, and let me show you my branches, git branch, and I want to merge promo update into main branch. If I do that, then there will be a merge conflict. So let me show you. For that, I will just run the command git merge promo dash update and hit enter. So you see that it was failed with the conflict. You can read it, that conflict content merge conflict in index.html and automatic merge failed, fix conflicts and then commit the results. So let me show you the index.html. Now you see these color code blocks head, and this green portion reflects the current change from the main branch, and this portion reflects the incoming change from the promo update git branch. But I don't want to touch this myself. I would like to use the Cloud Code because currently this is very simple. I can very easily merge it, but the conflicts are much bigger and more complex, and hence those are more difficult to handle. And in such situations, Claude is very handy, resolve those conflicts very easily. So let's quickly fix it. Let me open the Cloud Code extension on the right side. And here I'm asking Cloud Code that I have a merge conflict in index.html, resolve it, keep the bigger 50% off discount from incoming branch that you can see here, but keep my buy today link button text, then mark it resolved. So let me submit that. All right. So it is now reading the index.html file, thinking about the conflict, and will resolve it very easily. You see that it has resolved. It kept my CTA button, and also it kept the 50% off, and everything was merged properly without any bug. So that was great. And here is the summary from the Cloud Code. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope that this very useful tip for you that you will be using in your projects. If you think so, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos. And also please like and share this video. I'll really appreciate that because that motivates me a lot to make more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.